Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite quick and easy smoothies. I like to have this especially in the morning or in the afternoon if I'm feeling a little bit tired and want a quick pick-me-up. This is amazing. It also has omega-3s in it because it's using chia seeds and it's just really tasty. So I'm going to use my small Tri-Best blender just because it's not a huge amount that I'm going to be making, and it's really quick and easy to use this and make it nice and creamy. So I'm going to start with a cup of plant-based milk. I'm going to use soy milk today, but you could use almond milk or oat milk, whichever plant-based milk you prefer. To this, as I said, I'm going to add some chia seeds. So I'll have a tablespoon of chia seeds, great for your omega-3s, good for the brain. And also you could add hemp seeds if you wanted a little bit of extra protein. You could add flax seeds to balance out blood sugars. So the extras are up to you, but I like to keep this pretty basic and simple. I like simple recipes. Next, I'm adding in half a banana. You could add frozen banana if you want a little bit of more creaminess, a bit more of a creamy texture. And next up, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just because I'm not adding any extra sugars to this, I like the taste of the vanilla. If you prefer, you could also add a little bit of vanilla protein powder. And then my special secret ingredient, not so secret, is lemon juice. I've juiced a small lemon, so it's about 2 tablespoons worth going in. And it may sound like an unusual ingredient because it does curdle the soy milk a little bit, but it actually creates a great substitute or flavor similar to buttermilk. So I love this in my smoothies. And then it's time to blend it up. And it's that easy. Breakfast is served. Just pour it into a glass and enjoy. It's just quick and easy. I love it. Absolutely love it. And if you let it sit for a while or you use a more powerful blender, the chia seeds will actually make this really thick and creamy. It's just so delicious. Look at that. Oh. Cheers. Oh, it's like lemon cheesecake in a smoothie. Absolutely delicious. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Also, if you're looking for more simple recipes, I have a free 7-day meal plan down below, and I'd love for you to check it out and use it for yourself. And I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Oh, what a great start to the day.